Geometry has always been more than lines and numbers. It is the silent architecture of a universe, the hidden scaffolding upon which existence rests. To the uninitiated, it is mathematics. To the wise, it is magic given form. The oldest circles, the Sumerians, among the first civilizations to chart the heavens, saw circles not as abstractions, but as divine symbols. They measured the passage of stars, the movements of the moon, and the cycles of time itself through perfect rings. Their temples were aligned to celestial paths, their calendars carved into circular tablets. For them, geometry was not invention, it was revelation. The Egyptians and the measure of eternity. In Egypt, geometry found its monument in stone. The Great Pyramid is not simply a tomb, it is a statement of proportion. Its sides encode the golden ratio, its base and height whisper of pi, its alignment mirrors the belt of Orion. The Egyptians practiced this squaring of the circle, a mystical attempt to reconcile heaven and earth, eternity and mortality. Their temples were diagrams in stone, each line a hymn, each angle a prayer. The Greeks and the philosophy of shape. Pythagoras, Plato, and their schools did not separate mathematics from spirit. To them, numbers and shapes were archetypes, the triangle representing will and harmony, the square representing matter and stability, the circle representing eternity. The Platonic solids were said to be the bones of creation, the geometric scaffolding of the elements themselves. Geometry was the language in which the cosmos spoke. From cathedrals to mandalas, the Middle Ages and Renaissance carried these truths into sacred architecture. Gothic cathedrals, with their rose windows and vaulted ceilings, were diagrams of heaven disguised as stone and glass. In the East, mandalas mapped the journey of the soul through concentric symmetry, guiding the spirit into harmony with the divine. Every culture that touched sacred geometry found in it not only beauty, but order, a way to bridge mortal life with the eternal. The hidden use in magic. Within the Darkmoon Academy, geometry is not decoration, it is the backbone of ritual. A triangle etched into the floor focuses intent. A square grounds energy. A circle protects and binds. A spiral channels ascension and transformation. These forms are not arbitrary. They are the same shapes that civilizations before us discovered in stars, shells, rivers, and flames. When a spell circle is drawn, it is less invention than it is alignment, a resonating chord struck in the grand symphony of the universe. Closing. Geometry is everywhere. In the unfurling of a fern, in the shell of a nautilus, in the spiral arms of a galaxy. To study, it is to study the handwriting of creation itself. To wield it is to join a lineage stretching back to Sumer, Egypt, Greece, and beyond, a lineage of those who understood that reality has a shape, and that shape has power.